Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the Taj Mahal. Number 1. Taj Mahal is a historical monument of India. Number 2. It is considered a symbol of love. Number 3. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Number 4. Taj Mahal was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Number 5. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. Number 6. Taj Mahal is listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 7. Many people visit to see it. Number 8. People take pictures near it. Number 9. Taj Mahal holds a special place in history. Number 10. Taj Mahal is a major source of attractions for tourists around the world. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.